How do you empower witnesses to act against the bystander effect? Imagine you're in a crowded park and someone suddenly drops their wallet. Everyone around seems to notice, but no one moves to help. Why does this happen? It's called the bystander effect, a strange part of human psychology where people are less likely to help when others are nearby. It's like everyone assumes someone else will step in, so no one does. This effect was first shown in peculiar lab experiments where researchers created fake emergencies. For example, they filled a room with smoke or had someone pretend to have a seizure over an intercom. In these tests, people alone responded quickly and helped more often than those in groups. But real-life footage paints a different picture. Sometimes, groups actually help more than individuals. This flips the idea of the bystander effect on its head. Studies with rats show a similar pattern. When rats see a trapped buddy, they are less likely to help if others are just sitting around. But if they have active partners, they are more likely to step in. This suggests that the effect isn't just about humans feeling awkward. It might be rooted in deeper social or biological factors. So, how can we encourage witnesses to act instead of freeze? First, make the emergency clear. When people aren't sure what's happening, they look to others for clues. If everyone appears calm, they think nothing is wrong. This is called pluralistic ignorance. To break this cycle, you need to make the problem obvious. For example, shouting or pointing directly at the person in need can grab attention. Second, assign responsibility. If someone is asked directly to help, they're more likely to do it. In experiments, when people thought they were the only ones who could help, they almost always stepped up. Third, teach people about the bystander effect itself. When people know about this psychological trap, they're more likely to act because they realize what's happening. It's like giving them a mental tool to overcome hesitation. From a strange science perspective, the fact that rats show similar behavior hints that this effect might be wired into our biology. The key to changing this dynamic is to make each person feel like they are the only one who can help. Practical steps include making emergencies unmistakable, pointing directly at someone to help, and spreading awareness about how the bystander effect works. When people understand the science behind group inaction, they're more prepared to step forward. It's about turning the strange and puzzling nature of human behavior into a simple, actionable moment. So next time you see someone in trouble, remember that clear communication and responsibility can make all the difference in breaking the cycle of hesitation.